What if Apple's biggest iPhone upgrade in years comes with a price tag that makes you think twice before upgrading? Apple's September 2026 event is reportedly set for September 9, and if the latest leaks and rumors are accurate, this could be one of the most important iPhone launches Apple has ever announced. The iPhone 18 family may not follow the usual launch strategy this time. Instead of releasing every model together, Apple is rumored to put its most premium devices in the spotlight first. And at the center of all the attention is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to bring a redesigned body with a new rear glass panel, a thicker frame, and a new dark cherry finish. At first, a thicker phone may sound like a strange design choice, but there could be a very good reason for it. The extra space may allow Apple to increase battery capacity by around 12%. That could mean longer battery life for gaming, video recording, social media, navigation, and especially AI-powered features. If Apple can combine a larger battery with a more efficient chip, the real-world battery improvement could be even more noticeable. But the front of the phone may be where things get really interesting. Apple is rumored to be reducing the size of the dynamic island by around 35%. That would give the display a cleaner appearance and move the iPhone closer to the all-screen design Apple has been working toward for years. The change may not completely remove the dynamic island, but a smaller cutout could make watching videos, playing games, and using apps feel more immersive. The front camera could also receive a major upgrade. Reports suggest Apple may move to a 24-megapixel center stage sensor. If that happens, selfies and FaceTime calls could look sharper, while creators may benefit from better framing and improved video quality. For people who use their iPhone as their main camera for social media, this could be a much bigger upgrade than it sounds on paper. And then we reach the camera upgrade that could completely change how the iPhone takes photos. The main camera on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a variable aperture lens. This would be a major change because the aperture controls how much light enters the camera. It can also affect depth of field. In simple terms, Apple could give users more control over brightness, background blur, and the overall look of their photos. A variable aperture could make the iPhone feel less like a simple smartphone camera and more like a compact professional camera. In bright conditions, the lens could control the amount of incoming light more effectively. In lower light, it could potentially open wider to capture more light, and for portraits, it could help create more natural-looking background separation. Of course, these details are still based on reports, so we should treat them as rumors until Apple officially confirms anything. Apple may also redesign the camera experience through iOS 27. One rumor suggests a more customizable camera app with draggable controls and widgets. Imagine being able to place your most used shooting tools exactly where you want them. Instead of digging through menus every time you want to change a setting, the controls could be much easier to access. If Apple gets this right, the software could be just as important as the camera hardware itself. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to use Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip. Reports point toward an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, which could bring improvements in efficiency and performance. The biggest advantage may not simply be faster benchmark numbers. Apple could use the extra efficiency to improve battery life while giving on-device AI more processing power. That could make features like image processing, voice recognition, personal assistance, and other AI functions faster and more responsive without always relying on the cloud. But there is another rumor that could take the iPhone experience in a completely different direction: satellite internet connectivity. Apple already uses satellite technology for emergency communication in supported markets, but satellite-based internet access would be a much bigger step. If the iPhone 18 Pro Max can connect to the internet through satellites without depending on traditional cellular towers or Wi-Fi, that could be extremely useful in remote locations, during travel, or in areas with poor network coverage. However, the exact capabilities, availability, and pricing remain uncertain. Now comes the part that could cause the biggest reaction: the price. Some leaks suggest Apple could increase the price of its premium iPhone models by as much as $300, potentially pushing the entry-level Pro model toward the $1,400 range. That is a huge jump, and it raises an important question. Are these upgrades really enough to justify paying hundreds of dollars more? The situation becomes even more interesting because Apple's rumored foldable iPhone could finally join the lineup. Often referred to as the iPhone Ultra, this device is expected to open like a book and could feature a massive display around 7.8 inches. Apple is also rumored to be working on making the crease far less noticeable than what we have seen on many existing foldable phones. If Apple can deliver a cleaner folding display, the iPhone Ultra could become one of the most talked about Apple products in years. However, the foldable iPhone may come with some compromises. Instead of Face ID, Apple could use a side-mounted Touch ID system. There are also reports that the foldable model may not include the same dedicated telephoto camera found on the Pro models. That creates an interesting situation. You could potentially get a futuristic folding design and a huge display, but with fewer camera features than the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And then there is the price. Rumors place the foldable iPhone somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500. At that price, Apple would clearly be targeting a completely different category of buyer. It would not simply be another iPhone. It could become Apple's most premium and expensive smartphone ever. But Apple's September event may not be only about iPhones. Rumors also point towards several other products, including a possible AirPods Ultra with infrared camera technology, a white ceramic Apple Watch Series 12, the Apple Watch Ultra 4, and a new HomePod-style smart display. If even some of these products appear, Apple could have a huge amount of hardware news to reveal. In my opinion, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be one of Apple's most meaningful upgrades in several generations if these rumors become reality. The variable aperture camera, smaller dynamic island, larger battery, next-generation A20 Pro chip, improved front camera, and possible satellite internet support would make it a very powerful package. But the rumored $300 price increase is the biggest problem. Apple may be adding enough technology to justify a higher price, but that does not automatically mean the upgrade will be worth it for everyone.